Hey, what is up guys, this is Irfan and in this video I'm going to show you how you can just install a theme from a zip file. So let's get started. First of all, you have to download and extract the theme. As I have extracted this theme, you will find this type of folders, and before copying this to a folder, you have to download universal theme patcher. So just click your needed one, mine is 64-bit. Now okay. Now this OS needs to patch 3 files. 0 files has been patched, 3 files need to patch. Now in order to use the third themes, you need to patch system files. Okay, so yes, okay, so just click on patch, and as files has been patched, you need to restart your computer. So click on no, and what you have to do, you have to just copy these 3 folders to the specific folder of these themes. Okay, once you have done this, just close all applications and just restart your computer. So guys, I'm here after the restart is completed, and let's check in the personalized thing, and here in installed themes you will see refresh and refresh to, which was 2 themes as you can see in the folder. So when I just click this theme, the link of the universal patcher and where to copy the files and where you can get the themes, all the links will be down in the description box below. So as you can see, this is the thing, and this is quite good theme. Okay, you can see all these things has been changed, and yes, so yeah, this is how to install a theme without the theme installer. So if you guys like this video, then please share, like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one with interesting application.